Which is why I'm not focusing on the investigation per se, but on the regulation aspect of it, because a lot of people have lost confidence in the regulators following news that there were all these red flags at SSL over the years and they were allowed to continue. And that must be of concern for you as finance minister in terms of whether people still feel comfortable bringing their money to Jamaica.
Of course, we want to have a very sound financial system. You would have seen shortly after that, the prior finance minister announced a new direction in terms of a regulatory approach, which is in effect right now, not in law, but in practice, where you have the Bank of Jamaica and the FSC coming together to perform the regulatory function. So, and also recently, laws were changed so that financial sector companies have to organize themselves a certain way so that the Bank of Jamaica and the FSC together have more visibility